The stock market is like a well-orchestrated machine with 11 sectors acting as the individual parts. Each sector serves a distinct purpose, yet they all work together to power the global economy. Let's break them down one by one, explore the key sub-industries, and identify the largest players in each sector. First, let's start with the energy sector. The energy sector fuels the world. It includes companies involved in oil, natural gas, and alternative energy production. Some of the key sub-industries include oil and gas exploration and production, equipment services, and renewable energy production. You also have producers of other consumable fuels like coal and ethanol. The energy sector also includes related businesses that provide equipment, materials, and services to these oil and gas producers. Some of the top companies include ExxonMobil, Chevron, and Shell. The next sector is the materials sector. The materials sector represents the basic raw materials or natural resources needed for manufacturing and construction. Mining companies provide gold, zinc, and copper. Forestry companies provide wood and lumber, and chemical companies produce special chemicals. Some of the top companies include the Linde Group, Freeport-McMoRan, and Sherwin-Williams. The next sector in the stock market is the industrials sector. The industrial sector is one of the biggest sectors with 14 sub-industries. Some of those industries including airlines, railroads, transportation, heavy equipment, construction and machinery, aerospace and defense, military weapon manufacturers, and logistics. Some of those top companies include Boeing, Caterpillar, and Union Pacific. The next sector in the stock market is the utility sector. Utilities provide essential services like electricity, water, and natural gas, powering homes and businesses. Sub-industries include electric utilities, gas utilities, and water utilities. Some of the top companies include Nextra Energy, Duke Energy, and Dominion Energy. The next sector of the stock market is the real estate sector. Real estate includes property investment, management, and development, going from residential to commercial businesses. And some of these key industries include real estate investment trusts, REITs, residential real estate, and commercial real estate. Some of the top companies include American Tower, Prologis, and Crown Castle. The next sector in the stock market is the financial sector. The financial sector is involved in finance, investing, and the movement or storage of money. Some of those key sub-industries include banks and credit unions, credit card issuers, brokers, and insurance companies. Some of the top companies include JPMorgan Chase, Bank of America, Progressive, Allstate, Berkshire Hathaway, Visa, and investment firms like Vanguard and BlackRock. The next sector is the healthcare sector. The healthcare sector focuses on improving human life. Some of those key sub-industries include pharmaceuticals, medical device and equipment, and biotechnology. And of course, we can't forget healthcare plans. Some of the top companies include Johnson & Johnson, Pfizer, and the United Health Group. The next sector of the stock market is the consumer staple sector. The consumer staple sector basically deals with essential products necessary for survival and everyday use. Consumer staples offer the necessities of life, from food and beverages to personal care products. Bleach, laundry detergent, beverages, tobacco, food, retail, supermarkets. These are all consumer staples. Some of the top companies include Procter & Gamble, Coca-Cola, and Pepsi. The next sector of the stock market is the consumer discretionary sector. Consumer discretionary focuses on non-essentials, which includes luxury goods and luxury services, automobiles, jewelry, sporting goods, and electronic devices, trips, hotels, and high-end restaurants. Some of the top companies include Amazon, Tesla, and Home Depot. The next sector of the stock market is the information technology sector. The information technology sector powers modern innovation from hardware to software. Technology products include computers, microprocessors, and operating systems. Some of the key sub-industries include software and services, semiconductor chips, and technology hardware. Some of the top companies include Apple, Microsoft, and Nvidia. The next sector of the stock market is the communication services sector. Communication services keep the world connected and entertained. This includes internet and phone plan providers, media, entertainment, interactive media, and service companies. You're probably familiar with Netflix, Walt Disney, AT&T, CBS, and Meta, formerly known as Facebook. So when you think of internet providers, social media platforms, and entertainment companies, think of communication services. Think of the stock market as a city. Each sector is like a distinct district. The energy sector is the power grid. The material sector is the raw construction supplies, while industrials are the infrastructure builders. Utilities power homes. Real estate is where we live and work. Financials are the banks that fund the city, and healthcare is the hospital. Consumer staples provide groceries, and consumer discretionary brings luxury and entertainment. Finally, information technology serves as the city's tech hub, while communication services connect everyone. And together, they create a thriving ecosystem. Understanding these 11 sectors and their roles can help you make smarter, more informed decisions about investing. Now you know the 11 sectors of the stock market and how they power the economy.